Bruh.
Hey, traders. Welcome to episode 734 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here. Appreciate it. It's patron night, so going to be hanging out with some peoples in the voice chat to break the monotony of this boring crypto market. Yet pretty eventful stock market. But that's always going on, man. There's always something happening on the stock market. With Caterpillar missing earnings yesterday but doing nothing, like holding up and not gapping down, like Texas Instruments, Nike dumping again today, following through with yesterday's news of the CEO stepping down right after the 1618. Unbelievable. Gold's beginning to rally again. Same with silver, precious metals, and altcoins kind of doing nothing, man. They're kind of following Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin's the puppet master, and the altcoins are the puppets. Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna get in there. You can just chill out and relax if you want. It's a different stream, man. It happens once a week, so okay.
Show me what happens. Hello,
dude. Are you seeing this? It's 34-31. SMU's winning. So think about it. If it's 34-31. That means if you took SMU even teased in a 10.3 game teaser, you would be losing by a half a point, I think. So
what channel is it on?
ESPN.
All right, I'm going to put you on the secondary.
Oh.
Did you take a break from live to come talk about this?
What happened? Take a break from
no,
live?
I think we're live. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right. I'm live right now. What are you talking about, dude? I don't understand.
We're live talking about football games. Foosball.
Yeah, there's 2 minutes left in the game, you know, like it was discussed earlier, at least in the Discord.
They're going nuts. Katie's having to cover SMU now, too.
Oh, nice, dude. Very nice. Well, tell her I say hi. Kappa. Oh, my God.
Dude, we got to go down and party where SMU's like party area. It's called Greenville. Saturday before St. Patrick's Day, we have to take a trip. They have like 35 bars on one street, and they shut it down for this huge parade. And I can always be so we can all be on one of the parade floats, and it's insanity.
We could be on the parade float, really?
Yeah.
Well, that would be oh man, it's 34.
We be Kang.
We be Kangs. What was that? Caffeine? Was that you, dude?
We'll be Kangs on that float.
Dude, we could, man.
I have an amazing story of my first time there that I cannot say on live chat while I'm live.
Okay.
It's incredible. So yeah.
Super incredible. Wow. Thanks for
temporarily plan on that, and then August 5th going to Omaha.
Next year?
Yeah.
Nebraska?
I get 3 invitees to Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting. Yeah.
Dude, I'd go. I'd live stream that, dude.
I remember you were going to go and tell Jake.
Oh, okay.
So I invited Larley, Remlog, and yourself.
And is it still a stand or has it been redacted? I can't get this to play. It says now playing on AirPlay, but I'm not on AirPlay. Oh, never mind. My bad. Sorry.
Yeah, the last time I was there in 2011, 12, George Soros was there.
Oh my God, dude, that sounds awful. Sorry, just kidding. But yeah, screw George Soros, dude.
I mean, he owns BlackRock. So, you want to short it more now?
No. But yeah, I mean, maybe just if it's technical, like, but no, I would never short an asset because someone owns it, you know?
BLK is, yeah, looks great. And then our NFL 401k, that's why I actually went. And Ray Dalio is the head of that, but the hedge funds are not doing well. He's underperformed in the S&P this year.
Ooh, ouch. Well, that V-shaped recovery, man. It's just kind of weird, you know, how everything changed immediately as soon as the year ended. So it's like, you know.
All all those companies that got wrecked during, if they made it through October, the ones with capital, they
What
were.
do you mean December? Because it kept dumping. Right.
They were short as hell though on December. They were trying to make up for it, and so that's why that initial pop on the 26th I thought would probably happen the 24th. So I was buying the 24th, but it happened the 26th because the end of the year, end of the quarter was the 28th. So you're closing out your shorts.
Yeah.
So that's what provides a lot of pop. And you had, so like
People
Q4 profits were like 16%. And of that 16%, 26 of it was in December. And he ended up 12% for the year.
Well,
so
I don't think next year is going to be near the same as it was this year. I don't know, man. It's like we're going into a tumultuous election year. Hard to believe that it's already been like pretty much 3 years since the election.
I think it'll be easier to play than last, because last year, remember when Trump was leading, it would dump, and then all of a sudden people were like, wait, this is going to be good for us.
I do blame President Trump for getting me out of my Disney short prematurely. Now I made money, but I could have killed it on that one if I'd have just held it like a week longer. But man, it was just up, down, news on this, devalued currency, blah, 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 blah. It was just over, and I'm like, oh my God, I can't do this. It's just too much. It's like...
Yeah.
That's what happens. The Texas Instruments was kind of the same way. It was just like, okay, it's a double top, but it just kept hanging around, and it made like all-time highs, a couple more, but like by like $1 or $2. And I'm just like, I'm not doing it. I'm not pulling a Disney. I'm not pulling a Walt Disney on this Texas Instruments. I'm holding.
So
that will be done.
They do, seriously. I was listening to Ford today, and they use Texas Instruments computer left and right in their
Who
cars.
is this?
I'm like, Ford. All car companies.
And Ford got wrecked today too, right?
Yeah.
Ford Connect, dude. Oh my God.
So it dropped from like 921 to 858.
Nearly 7% crypto gains, baby. Crypto dumps. All right.
Yeah.
I dig it, man. I dig it. Major long-term downtrend on Ford. This looks like an altcoin, but guess what? It's better than an altcoin because look at the moves up and the moves down. The moves up, the moves down. Altcoins, especially Bitcoin pairs, are just capitulation, or it's just like bankruptcy. Like they just nope, we won't even spike up and down anymore. We'll just go down slightly and just look at VeChain, dude. Man, I feel bad for that Moon Boy because it's like VeChain hitting all-time. I said it to Bradford. VeChain hitting all-time lows, and Tesla destroying shorts, just murdering shorts.
Oh,
right. So it's like his mortal enemy and his best friend. You know, like.
Remember, he got short squeezed too last year.
No, remember he got out like weeks before that happened. I
thought he got short squeezed that one day, but maybe not.
F's in the chat for Ford, everyone. F's in the chat.
Yeah, I was short the next day after.
It
was kind of a known thing that it was going to be a short squeeze.
What's different about what's going on with this chart right now? Now it obviously can change, but what's going on kind of in the short term? If you look at this channel, what's kind of different now than it wasn't in the past this whole time? Maybe y'all could identify it and just maybe see what's happened.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, it's just the Ford chart.
Good. Let's just go. Still waiting.
Yeah, no, it's all good. But it's kind of interesting. You just like, you see it, it's like a low, lower low. Lower low.
Intel crushed it
It's about the same low, lower low. About this lower low actually. Lower low, lower low. What's different now?
I'm still waiting. I might be even.
Dang, dude, you're way behind. Yeah.
I'm way behind on the computer. What is different about it now? Let me look at a little bit closer. You're holding on to crucial support from 2013.
You're making higher lows now, right? For now, unless it changes.
Yes. Yeah. Wow. Ford wrecked. 2013. I remember day trading this thing like a son of a bitch.
So we'll see if that higher low plays out, because today again it just got destroyed, and it was earnings. And so you could just keep look at the volume
really
involved too.
Guidance too.
Oh my God, yeah. So it's
They
probably
can't get the Explorer out. The truck, they're losing market share on the F-150, which is like consumer staple. Margins are going down. China Connect, they're not selling in China. So,
oh yeah, I'm sure, dude. That's everywhere. That's every automobile company that is an exporter.
MCA needs to get. What is it? The MCA? What's the Canada Mexico agreement? The new one that they can't get done yet.
Canada, Mexico. What?
Yeah, the new NAFTA.
USMCA.
USMCA. Yeah, so that's hurting them because they have plants in Mexico. Yeah, just overall bad downtrend. They're not run well.
Yeah. Well, they got good trucks, I guess, right? Everyone loves their trucks.
I have had 4 in a row. Yeah.
But
that's about all they make. Yeah, that's my work truck every time.
I've owned a couple of Fords back in the day. It's so funny. I was such a nerd back. I was like a kid. I was like 16, 17. My dream car was the Sport Track. I loved it, dude. Crimson Sport. I ended up getting it my junior year. My parents bought it for me.
Chase and Aldine, we rode in trucks.
Yeah, but
or Luke Bryan, sorry.
I thought it was we rode in Sport Tracks. I think that was the lyrics, dude.
Back when I was born, it was heaven on earth. Flint Oyster Watch is that red Georgia dirt.
Oh my God, don't do it, man. Because that red dirt's in Auburn too. It's like that southern.
Mama cry.
A pair of leggings is worth more than Ford. That's true. It's definitely true. Might take a few Ford shares to get you there. But so let's look at the GDXJ for caffeine.
Yeah. So there's a couple people out there that, there's these leveraged ETFs. Caffeine wanted to look at it. Whenever you're looking at a leveraged ETF, you want to look at the main chart.
What is the name of the stock you found the leveraged ETF,
which is a day trader's tool.
I went back to look at it, but it was taken down for copyright.
Yeah.
If you could look at it again, that would be great.
It was
and
just
thanks for pulling me up on the table with you. Flexed biceps.
Get up on the table with me, Joe Sachs. Yeah, man. Life is about pulling people up on the table, because it's very easy to pull people down, but it's difficult to pull people up. But the most difficult thing is even getting up on the table. To say you're up on the table is an accomplishment in itself. But yeah, happy to hear I helped get you up on that table with me, with us all, this community we've been building for 2 years now, close to it. A year and what, 7 months or something, 8 months? No, maybe 8 months. Yeah, I don't even know anymore. I don't even count.
February 2018 to
now.
Yeah.
Like 1 year, 8 months.
Almost 1 year, 9. I count you as February 9th, 2018. It's the first video I ever saw. So.
Yeah. So.
Larley up in the corner.
Yeah. Rest in peace, Larley, dude. I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, there was like an issue with. I don't know. It was just difference of opinion on moderation and stuff. I had nothing to do with it. I don't know, and it's probably not even good to talk about.
Not the place to talk.
Yeah. It sucks, man. It feels bad, but I don't know what to do about it. Yeah. So anyway, with Vanek vectors.
Yeah, the funny of so if you wanted the consumer staple ETF. If you want to go the bullish one, it's need, and the bearish one is lack. which I find hilarious.
Wait, what are you talking
And
about?
The 3x leverage ETFs.
JNUG?
So JNUG, Dust, all that stuff. I don't know what the 3x bear ETF of the VanEck junior gold miners is, but I mean it's probably not hard to find.
Yeah, I don't know, man. That's wild stuff. But yeah, sure, you can do that. I don't know, man. I just prefer, you know.
I'd rather play the asset straight. You know,
yeah, exactly.
Trying to explain to someone why you can't hold those, that leverage resets each day, and that it was just very difficult explaining to people why those are. Just look at the long-term chart of SQQQ, any of those things.
It's
straight downwards.
Yep, of course. It's the
day trader's tool.
Exactly, just like the VIX, TVIX, all that. So,
yeah.
Anyway, GD. Mr. Damon, man, holy crap.
Bruh.
What up, El Ray?
Chair
What is
Jesus.
up, Jesus people?
That's right.
What's up, Mr.
Just saying
Damon?
hi. Been stupid busy.
See ya.
Can't
All
wait
right,
to
so
get
this
back
football
and hang
game's
out
over, so
again.
I can go back to
Glad to
the
see
old
everyone
place.
holding IT down doing things like games. As always, do not get trapped.
Mr. Damon, we holding it down, dude, for you. Hey, look, I was talking about it earlier in the day stream that was taken down for copyright, but it happens. Yeah, man. Like everyone's in different phases of their life, so if people come and go, and I just hope when they do go, they come back. You know.
Yeah, you're an OG and always stopping and say hi.
Yeah, dude, Mr. Damon, you're a freaking OG. If you don't know Mr. Damon, he literally gave me $800 on stream once for a Herman Miller chair that I'm sitting in right now because I had back problems. So like, yeah, that guy
He'd have been destroyed by now. I remember we're talking and I'm like, there was someone else that's a nurse. She's like, try these chairs out. I'm like, if you're sitting at a computer, I've tried them all. There's no better chair for a big guy. It'll save your back, and boom, that hit. I have it on my phone, and that's why I posted sideways. That was the best memory I have of this entire time. That was amazing.
What was it? Say it again. Sorry, the message.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, dude, my bad.
You were talking about your back, and someone else was like, you know, these are nurses' chairs that we use. Test these out. And I'm like, trust me, I've tried all of them. I've tried the more expensive Herman Millers. I've tried the other ones. Had custom chairs. And I'm like, these are the only things that I can sit at a computer, and my back doesn't feel absolutely wrecked.
It's crazy.
Like,
I thought I was getting older and I was gonna have back problems because of football or something, and it wasn't that. Dude, I want Herman Miller to sponsor me, like for real. I want to put like Herman Miller's logo like here or up there, you know, like.
We can probably get that done.
No, we can't. I mean, someone else did it, but it wasn't like a money. It was like a. They gave the streamer a chair, and they would advocate. I mean, that's like stupid. It's like, no, dude, let's be real here, you know, like.
Yeah.
But I don't know. We haven't found any real good sponsors. Dude, I get like unlimited amounts of emails every day about like crypto sponsorships. I'm just like, I'm not touching your crap.
Maybe
never will I ever. Hey, if you're out there,
like,
sorry,
TD Ameritrade and
Trading
Fidelity
View,
and different things, Trading View, with these different companies offering Bitcoin. Maybe, I mean.
But like the one thing I don't want to do is I'm not gonna ever get into the affiliate marketing crap. Never. I'm not doing it. Like it just to me seems so weird. It's like it's almost like the person is farming my audience. I don't like I want it to be like it's there, and if you want, you know, to take a look at it, you know, go to the website.
Trading View would be really nice. That'd be the most ideal one.
Sure, absolutely. I use it every freaking day, you know. So.
Or an access to like one of the fundamental sites that like FinViz, you know, Fintel.io, one of those screener sites.
What is it?
The fundamental sites. You have Fintel, I believe, as well.
Fintel, do I?
FinViz.
Oh yeah, Finviz. Yeah, absolutely. That'd be
Yeah.
nice too.
Yeah.
I'd prefer
So
like getting hardware or a physical item that I use, like Lametric or Elgato Stream Deck or a Corsair item. But even a freaking Samsung monitor, I use those.
Yeti Bluetooth mic.
Yep. The Yeti Blue. Yep. Or the
Yeah.
Logitech would be the dream too, but I just don't. No one gets what we do. No one gets it. They're like, oh, he doesn't have 1,000 viewers. Well, guess what? My however many viewers I have right now, depending on market volatility, gets a lot higher, but the quality of the viewership is so much higher. People just don't get it, man.
Yeah, the world of advertising is changing though too. So
Aaron, XRP. Sorry.
we're in this infantile state, and with streaming wars right now, YouTube is the second, most sought after advertisement location outside of Facebook. So then it goes Snapchat and Twitter. Correct.
Oh, Twitter. I love it, man. I freaking love Twitter.
Oh, so bad.
Oh, so beautiful. Oh my God.
They go, we're having software issues with our we can't even load our the ads that people are paying us for. It's like, oh, get wrecked.
Look at this, dude. It's just, oh my God. So beautiful. This was my first, because I was just like, for the longest time, I just got fed up with, I'm not gonna be confined on my Patreon to just crypto. This is bullcrap, dude. This is just not right. Because it's like, I didn't learn everything I know from crypto. I learned almost nothing from crypto. Everything I learned from stock market. It's like, oh, I'm not even able to post trade setups. The thing I've been doing for years. I'm not even able to show people what I do, only on stream. And the people that are paying premium, they're paying me $100 a month. They're not able to see what I'm doing. I mean, that's just crazy. So this was the first one I posted. It was September. No, it was August 30th or something weird. I can't remember. Yeah, it was with
the head fake out.
September 12th, I posted it. And it
Our
was
cloud cover.
Was it? Yeah, it was a dark. No, it was a bearish engulfing candle.
Bearish engulfing.
Yeah, bearish engulfing candle. And it's Twitter might be ready to drop. And then it's take a look at this large rising wedge. Just hit the 886 from its previous major high. Not only that, bearish divergence of both oscillators. And I'm I'm still figuring out what I can and can't post when it comes to stocks because it's SEC regulation and all that. But it's dude, the 886.
Do you hold it at the bottom of the wedge, or do you have to take some profit off there? And if you
definitely can. But the thing is, it's
that's where options come into play, where you can keep your position open and protect yourself.
Yeah, it's freaking wild. But this is just ungodly. It's like Texas Instruments 2.0, dude. It's down 30+% from when I posted that.
You made more money off of Twitter by far.
Even though Texas Instruments, but it was it took way less time. Remember, if this was September 12th, it took us 5 weeks, a little over 5 weeks or whatever, for this to mature. Where Texas Instruments only took a week or two, right? So
yeah, but
it's ones like that. They pay for their kids' college on Texas Instrument puts. They said it in the Discord. I'm like, oh my God. They're like, I'm sorry, I'm being emotional. It's like, dude, what are you doing, man? You should, I don't know how much money you're worth, but if you can pay for your kid's college on one position, you're probably doing it really wrong.
At the money Texas Instruments, because it had no IV, no implied volatility. So that dump created, your option position went about 60x.
I don't know. I'm only straight short on it. I didn't play options on it, so I don't know. Seems crazy.
It went from $5 to $300 on one put.
How much?
$5 to $300. So 30,000. $5 is what you bought the put for. 300, and you always multiply by 100 with options.
Dude, it's
$30,000 per put.
It's just not watching the show. I get it.
Be happy
you know.
about that,
Yeah,
man.
I know. It's
freaking
just
amazing.
all this is amazing. Texas Instruments, Nike, and Twitter in a 3-day period, they've all just Thanos snapped. Just boom, all just been like perfect. We ain't been thinking, and now we're looking for what? MPC, right? MPC is like earnings are coming up. It's getting a little scary, getting really scary. Because I'm like, it doesn't matter because position sizes are all like, comparable. But like MPC, Marathon, Petroleum or whatever. Look at this, dude. It just like kind of broke out of the channel. I'm already deep, like, the entry, 63.45 an hour, $66 now. It's starting to get scary, and you get stopped out, whatever. Like, I don't care, but I'm just saying, man, it seems like it's coming. Earnings, okay, it might keep running and stop me out and then dump at earnings. How pathetic would that be? Jeez, this is the one that's not killing me, but it's just making me be like, come on, man.
Are you in the money at all on it?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so you're deep.
I'm not deep. Just I'm down like
got it.
$150 or something. It's not
Okay.
bad. Believe me, dude, it's all good on everything else. Like, this is how trading works. It's like you play the numbers game. You always be scanning. You always have things. It's like sales. You have a pipeline, right? You're cold calling on potential clients all day, every day. And then months go by after doing the same thing, and things just start falling. They start falling. People call, hey, man, I'm ready to do business. Hey, I'm ready to dump. I'm ready to pump, right? Because you put in the work. You put in all the work for months. And you keep up, and you keep like your watch list updated, and you have all your alerts set up. When they hit, it's like, oh my god, red alert. It might be time to take a position, or start watching it a lot more closely to see what it does. Right?
I want to see with TD Ameritrade if you can auto. You can right click position, and a caller would be long. So you're buying a call.
Sure.
Buying 100 shares at least, and then you're selling a call against it at your profit-taking level, and then you're buying a put below, usually kind of canceling out the prices, but it protects you to both sides. It's called a caller when you're going long. I don't know if you can do it. Let me see if I can do it right now on, like, put in one on TD Ameritrade and then cancel it, because I did it on Citibank. I went short, took a caller, but I did it all by hand. But I can't load up.
Bruh.
Hold on. Wait a second. Wait, that's not it. My bad. Crap. Sorry. No, we have to. Our sponsor. Our pseudo sponsor. We have to play it real quick. Hold on.
DA with Mitch Ray, brought to you by Irwin Coffee.
Let's go.
Bruh.
All right, sorry.
So,
I had to play it, man.
MPs.
Did you get? Oh, you didn't get to hear it, did you, Probes? Since the video is taking out the day. Oh my God! Just mute Discord for a second, and turn the audio on for the stream, and tell me what you think. You might have seen it. You might have listened to it earlier. It was what Zach did. Zachery.
all right, hold on.
The ESPN thing, the nasally guy. Hey, smiley face. If you're out there watching, dude, we covered the spread. Easy. Dude, if you'd have taken SMU the other way, you'd have lost. There was no way to effing win unless you took Houston. I told you my gut feeling on Houston. Let's effing go, chat. So, yeah, I took Houston plus 23.5. And you could have taken SMU, the number, they're 7-0. They've got the number 7 offense in the country. And against Houston's number 120 defense in the country of only 133 teams or whatever. So the matchup was clear. SMU was going to just mop the floor with them, but they only won 34-30. Here it is, man. Like, this is the bet, man. It's like Houston plus 23.5, Wisconsin plus 24, and LSU minus half a point. So
I heard it, Mitch. It was pretty fucking amazing.
Right, dude, that was me. But I've like back when I was like on the football team at Bama, we would make fun of this guy all the time, and I would do the voice and just like, oh my god, man. Dude, I don't know.
I forget. Do they
blushing.
play it anymore?
Dude, like, there's a documentary on him. There's definitely a documentary on that guy.
I was talking about Monday Night Football. So the Monday Night Football song, I didn't know. Like, I thought it was just Hank Williams. But no, that's played on the field, too. It was pretty hype.
Oh, dude, Garmin is bred in here. Look here, listen on Garmin. It looks like it's starting to round out, it's starting to sell off. The bearish divergence hasn't really played out yet. I'm telling you, I think I might want to take a shot on Garmin at open tomorrow. Just wait for the chart to update. It's beautiful, man. Class B bearish divergence with the pattern.
What's Garmin's technology anymore? Like, they're useless.
I don't know. I'm not looking at the fundamentals. I'm looking at the technicals. You know how we do it. But
look at both of it. You know, whatever that GoPro. It's like phones are outdoing your camera.
What does Garmin do again? I can't remember. Aerospace and
directions.
Defense. What?
Oh, they're doing more. Garmin originally was like the thing you stuck in your window that would give you directions.
Okay, so it was like a.
So they have satellite mapping, so they might have other.
Wasn't that called like a TomTom or something like that?
Oh yeah, dude. I remember having that.
TomTom was the original. Yeah, Garmin was like the most famous.
GPS radar.
Yeah, it started
Everybody's
from
saying.
Garmin, I believe.
Yeah.
Garmin still makes very nice navigation systems for luxury vehicles. It doesn't matter though. Like, okay, it still does that, but it's hit a 90% retrace, 88% retrace, and it's showing an insane amount of bearish divergence at the top of a channel that it upthrusted out of and is back testing now. And it's saying, right, when you
phone now
break
Apple Connect, you just connect to it and it tells you the direction.
Yeah. I mean, the iPhone
Technology
is just easy. It's like,
killing
man, I don't even use my BMW's GPS anymore. It takes too long to plug it in. I'm like, no, I'll just use my iPhone. You know, it's just boom.
The newer cars, it'll just display your phone screen. It's nice.
What I like about Garmin is the fact that it broke out of the channel and then dumped back into it and is now back testing on the inside, right? You know how you have back test outside and it's like, okay, we're out of the channel. You'll often, when you get back inside a channel, you will then back test the area that was once resistance as resistance again to say, we are now confirming it. The market is confirming that we're back inside this crazy channel we've been in. And it's been well respected for years, since 2016.
Beautiful stop loss too, because
because you're exactly. It's like, are you
born to that number?
Yup, dude. It's
Nike. I was like
$100. Yeah. But everyone was probably like that too. Probably everyone saying that. It's like, don't you dare, man.
Yeah.
You gotta look. Scare money don't make no money. If you're at a PCZ, a 1618, I know we're close to $100, but you gotta take a shot, dude. And you can fail and just take another shot at $100, right? If it does fail. You get stopped out. It's just
what was the gas company you're talking about, Mitch?
Marathon Petroleum.
What's the ticker?
MPC.
MPC.
Yeah. Michael Paul
If you can
Catholic or something. I don't know.
Because you know how for options you can right click on different things. Go to trade. Let's see, trade it and do. Okay.
Do I game a critical view of the NCAA system? Do you feel I was taking advantage of? Nah, I mean, not me. I was just an invited walk-on, dude. I was just happy to be there. You know, I could have gone to Middle Tennessee State on scholarship, but the team, the coaches, the program were rumored to be leaving, and they did. But sadly and ironic for me that I couldn't escape it. You know, I got invited to walk on at Bama and went, and then, you know, my coaching staff completely gets fired that year. So, and
I talked to a lot of guys that would have rather played big time college football and been a walk-on than been a star at podunk.
Well, I bet you they would have
One of
much
those.
rather had a degree from those better schools than podunk, right? And that's what I was thinking about. To me, it was like, okay, it's a no risk, very low risk, because if things go bad for me at Bama,
Yeah.
and things didn't really go that well for me, dude, you get painted as an outsider if a new coaching staff comes in when you're there. That's what sucked for me. Like when Saban came in, I was
Yeah,
screwed.
you're not one of his guys.
Nope, and not at all. And so I was part of the problem with other 50 other players. It was just it was just a blanket cut. Like everyone got cut in 2 days. It was just like I'm like, oh my god, what do you do? So with that being said, again, I would have gone to Middle Tennessee State on full ride, and the coaching staff would have left, and I probably would have stayed all that because, it's going to be way less competitive and all that. But I just don't know. I'm just happy that I have multiple degrees from the University of Alabama versus Middle Tennessee State or Bethel or Belhaven or Mississippi College, all these little podunks that were offering me money to play there, or, scholarship, you can call it, board, food, rooms, books, all that stuff. So,
I walked on two.
yeah, UCLA Bruins, dude. Hey, should we do a wheel spin?
I had a Bama offer.
Did you?
Yeah.
Dubose, right? It was Dubose back then.
No, I thought it was Dennis
Franchione?
Erickson Franchione.
Well, you were there. No, weren't you on the team when Bama?
98-01.
What year were you when Bama and UCLA played?
2000, 2001 seasons.
Yeah, what year were you? Do you remember? Like what?
Junior and senior.
Oh no, you would have had to have gotten recruited by Dubose, I thought, because Dubose was there like in late, 99, 2000, and then he got fired after that year when y'all beat us. So,
Was Dubose? I remember Franchione coming from TCU. Maybe that was just my senior
Franchione
year.
came in, I think, a little bit later, and he was doing
that's
okay, and then he walks away. He got a better offer, and then he went to Texas Tech or something with a better offer, and then they got beat 70-0 or something by Oklahoma, and it was so ironic. It was beautiful. Anyway, I don't know. I'm gonna get another beer. I'm gonna do wheel spin for Mr. Damon. 'Cause why not, dude? I guess. Should I?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. I
I'll
said to
throw
be up
some
early tomorrow,
spins.
but who cares?
Here comes your jellyfish, man.
Urukanji jellyfish tip $25.
Are we doing just wheel spin? 25 and 33 are not turned on.
No, just anything over 10 is a wheel spin.
Okay.
All right, Ircon Jellyfish, things are 25, dude. Or do 2 wheel spins then for him. Total, do total. Because Mr.
And
Damon
anyone that donates below 10,
is screwed.
usually Matt Shafford. You can
match?
spin for.
If there's consecutive
That's-
5-5 or something from 2 different people, then I guess that can count too. But all right, let me get it, pull it up. Spin the wheel. It's like once a week. We already do it, dude. 10% chance, but yeah, right. Oh my god. Okay, spin or drinks. Spin or drinks. So close. I gotta do some of that chug, man. I don't know why. We're going to decrease the chance that it can hit because it is not 10%. It is way more. Okay, here we go.
Social.
All right, social chat. Everyone, drink or something. All right, let me get this beer. Be right back. Feel free to entertain the chat. I mean, it's right here, dude. But hold on.
Did I miss something? I saw the wheel pop.
Okay, sorry, I'm back. My bad. Oh, yeah, I had to pour that beer. You know how IPAs are. They're like super duper volatile when you pop them, no matter what. They're just gonna be foamy and they're wild, dude. They're like wild irukandji jellyfish. All right. Thanks again, David. 25, man. So you know, I was like, my dad was asking me about the CEO at Nike stepping down, and it's like, he's like, why'd he step down? And I like kept reading. I'm like, there was no real reason. It was just him saying it seemed weird. It seemed like
Yes.
there was no real reason. It was just how much you bet he got pushed out?
Oh yeah, I almost get it because they're
saving face. They're like saving face.
They're solely going to try to grow their, online
Based off
sales.
politics or whatever.
Yeah, remember he got like accused of the Nike corporate culture being a boys club, which is just like, what? Really? I mean, I don't know what that means, and maybe it was. Maybe it was they were extremely misogynistic and were being terrible to women. Maybe, but maybe they weren't. Right at the same time.
There's different rumors of the boys club.
Yeah.
If you catch my drift.
Not really. What does that mean? Is that something sexual?
Kind of, yeah.
Okay. Okay, didn't know that was it, man.
Neil Calloway. That was who recruited me.
Neil Calloway. Well, he's probably like football
Under
operations.
Mike DeBose.
Yeah, head of football operations.
First year as offensive coordinator was that year.
Coordinator,
So,
got you.
and Charlie Stubbs I also talked to. So, yeah.
Oh wait, did you see MQG? No one got to see this because the stream got taken down. I'm about to pull it up. This is my work. Someone requested it via TTS and a tip today, and I gotta say, man, it's not bad of an idea. And you gotta look here and listen.
Look here! Look, listen!
Look here, listen.
That's right, dude. I just played the sound clip, and it's wild, dude. You're in this zone where no matter what you look at, going short or it just being a C wave to go into D, it's almost perfect. Just look at it, and you'll be like, "Dang, dude, that's pretty freaking interesting." Chat, anyone? Bueller.
Price gonna dip!
Victor. Yeah, I know, Victor. Yeah, the stream got taken down today. Very rare these days. Okay, so it was just, unlucky, but I wouldn't worry about it. It wasn't the craziest stream. It was a great stream either way, but they all are in terms of education and analysis and stuff. Normally, it's like, hey, it only gets better when chat's lit. Okay, when things are crazy. The crowd's going wild. That's normally when things are best, but when it all comes together. But you were saying something about Xbox. Bro, you need to join the Discord if you're not part of it, because that is how you will get ensured notifications that I'm live or I create a video. Okay. Are you too late for Bitcoin analysis? I mean, yeah, but it's 9 till, so we do the local on the 8s, and that's at the top of the hour we look at Bitcoin again. So you're just minutes away from another analysis of the corn of bits, Bitcoin. Now let's look at corn, literally corn, CORN. Most people confuse with Bitcoin or Bitcoin. Hold on a second. Which one is it? Wanda? Ah, yes, Wanda. Okay, so it got as high as $3.95, pretty much $3.96. Now it's pulled back and not really showing any kind of major divergence or anything. It's just maybe not done. But this one, dude, is another one we'll hang our hats on forever, eternally. Okay, who the heck was bullish on corn before we identified this freaking harmonic, dude? I mean, this was it. It was just like I'm manually looking at corn one day and I'm like, oh my God, dude, you're in a range, a freaking range that's been in development since 2014. You've been stuck in it and you up thrusted twice, failed to break out of that range twice and dumped. And then you hit an 88% retrace with just a little bit of bullish divergence on the RSI. And it was like, this is the PCZ, the pattern completion zone of corn. Okay. 15% gains from the entry to where the highest peak of this run so far. 15%. Not effing bad, chat. Corn, baby. Corn in the grains. Paulie Murphy can throw a football over that mountain there. And if coach would have put me in, I'd take state. Sure you would, dude. Hold on a sec. What is that? Aaron M. I don't know. Maybe, dude. Brandon, maybe. See, the problem is, I made it to the Final Four, and we just got out coached. And I got double teamed. Okay, we're talking about old high school playoff games against Hoover. Yeah, Hoover. It was two-a-days that year.
Rush Probst.
Probst was born, dude.
God.
How did I even know that Probst was actually a person, right? From Survivor.
That was so funny.
Doesn't even make sense, dude.
Jeff Probst, yeah.
Yeah, that's wild as F, dude.
That's like my favorite show ever.
Yeah, but I didn't know any of that was real when all this was created, so that makes it hilarious.
Yeah, I remember watching the show. The O-lineman had a smoking hot girlfriend. But I don't know if that was the second season. Where they had the guy dressed as Napoleon Dynamite.
It's been a while, dude. It's been a freaking while.
You can't find him anywhere.
Napoleon Dynamite costumes? What?
No, you can't find the shows anywhere.
Can you not? Yeah?
No, I can't find them. I'm like, Emily, work on it. Viacom owns the rights to it, and they're still up for bidding. I don't know what they're gonna do. What they own.
Ooh, no, this can't be. Oh my God, a butterfly though. It could be a bullish butterfly. Beginning of the PCZ starts at the 1272. I'm trying to get it perfect. I can't. It's not gonna let me. 1272. Where it would start. So you're waiting for $6.12, but it's up, 5.77% today. But wouldn't this be a butterfly? Because it's a lower high in the previous high. It'd be a shark if it was a higher high. But you wait, probes, and you tell me if I'm right or wrong, crazy here. But this is it, man. Between a 1272 all the way down to a 1618. Remember the butterflies? They kind of suck because the range is so large. But what you'd be looking for at the 1272, 1414, the 1618, it's going to be essentially you're looking for the coinciding variables on the oscillators. So divergence would help. But the problem is, it's like you're showing divergence kind of right now, like in a way. You're kind of already showing it. But maybe if just, this failed pop and you just dump again to lower lows, we're not worried about if it breaks the upside here. We're worried about if it ever makes it to $6.13. That's what we're worried about. So it could be a really nice potential butterfly, a 78.6% retrace on X to A to B with the lower high, all the key characteristics of a bullish butterfly. That's it, dude. Hype in the chat.
Bruh.
Hype.
Yeah, so tell me. You cross-check it for me. Hey, what's up, Raymond, dude? Hexo. I think we've been looking at Hexo occasionally. I'm gonna put Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated on my watch list. CLF. Good job. Someone jot down FYX.
FYX, right, King?
Oh, a spooky themed Halloween. We'll figure something out. I normally try to theme it to what I am. When I say normally, it's like I've only had one Halloween. Yeah,
Hey,
one,
you should
one Halloween stream ever, I think. So
you should go over Fetch again and have it as like a future potential clip from the earlier stream since it got taken.
wait, what is this?
Fetch, what we looked at earlier on the
Oh
stream.
yeah, we can certainly look at that, dude. Yeah, look here, listen. Oh my god.
That might be one of those ones that we're gonna look at later and be like, hey, remember when we talked about?
Yeah, I'll do that. But let's look at Hexo first because what? Well.
Look here! Look, listen!
You got a descending triangle and a gap down on something on high volume chat. My god. You know what? Measure move here, right? The measure move and the breakout. Well. You exceeded the measure move. Let's go. Sitting right now at the measure move. This is just...
Bruh.
Dang.
So, Raymond, hi. You know, it could have gone either way, right? Could have gone the upside or downside. Certainly. But it's a bearish pattern. Certainly a bearish pattern. So, which way did it go? It went down and it hit the measured move, which is just beautiful. It's like the measured principle. It's like the theory of all markets, man. The measured principle.
Gonna keep an eye on that. Wait for that daily divergence.
Oh, yeah. On this one, there's no opportunity right now. It just gapped down. It's just sitting there, looking here, listening. And, yeah, you'd prefer that it runs up a little bit, then sells off again. And then, when it makes lower lows, maybe the 1272, right? From your low to high, you exceeded it. And so now, look, $1.57 is that first major fib extension, right? It's down there. It's sitting there waiting for us, 157.58. So you run up a little bit and you sell off once more and get down there, and then we show divergence. Boom, might be an entry for a long. But as it stands now, you're now not making higher highs anymore for the first time ever. Talk about major lows. Okay, I guess you kind of double bottomed here. It was like straight. That's still fair, right? Okay. Higher lows and then gap down to lower lows than previous lows. Oof. Raymond, are you there, dude? It's kind of wild, isn't it? 8A, thanks for the kind words, dude. I do it for you. And you, and you, and you. We're looking at freaking corn, Chad. Yes, we are. Not looking at hot dogs, Sue. Sorry. No hot dogs for... Well, Sue's throwing out French fries and hot dogs. What's going on, dude? Oh my god, man. Choose your words, what is it? Choose your words wisely, Persian. Your next words wisely, Persian. Oh my god. Just freaking out. Yeah, Farfetch Connect. FTCH, right? Yep. Yeah, this is the one, dude. We looked at it on stream today. It's a bummer if you missed it. But it's like a huge mega gap down. Seems like on earnings, but all you've done since the gap down is just develop a falling wedge pattern. And the falling wedge pattern has extreme amounts of bullish divergence the whole way down. And you're nearing the apex, which gives us indication to believe that the pattern is almost complete. And a break to the upside could be imminent all based on the fact that we've got Class A bullish average, and on the MACD, you have only positive momentum on lower lows, which is ridiculous. Okay, so this is the way the trade would kind of look, where you have your stop a little bit lower than the down sloping support, just in case one more time it went to hit 718 before bouncing again. You'd be safe. But as entry is kind of like where it is, near where it is, and then if it breaks out, boom, your target's the measured move of the pattern. That brings you all the way up to $11.15. That is a 3.9 to 1 reward to risk on a trade. Hype in the chat.
Bruh.
Hype.
That's it.
I just felt like streaming.
Yeah.
Jakey coming in? Can I get him on air?
Yeah, you gonna get Jakey on air?
I'm gonna try. He doesn't say anything English. He looks every time. He's looking because he can hear me. Mom must have turned on the speaker. But I felt like streaming.
Did you hear that?
Hilarious. They both.
I just posted that.
Did you?
Yeah. Weird. I thought you heard it.
No, I can't hear anything. I can only hear your voice.
It's true. I can only hear your voice and Brad's voice.
Yeah.
Everyone else got out of here.
It's a bit weird if there's got to be some sort of way that. Dude, I have the old musician's earplugs. I wonder if I can connect that in, get like a, change the reverb so I'm just hearing the background noise. Your voice, it'll be off a little bit, but interesting. Dude, I might take a play on this Marathon Petroleum right now.
Yeah,
I was looking to see.
It's a great idea, but remember, it's earnings coming up, so it could kill you. And if it kills you, it'll destroy me.
I don't play earnings.
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
It's kind of froggy, dude. It's really froggy.
Trying to figure out a way on TD. It's easy with a long.
Look on the 8s. Oh my god, man. Sorry.
Yeah, so basically you're short 100 shares.
Raymond, man. Sorry, TTS.
Bruh.
Dude, Raymond, man, coming in with a 30. What a grab. The Pepe Pumpkins, dudes.
Raymond Young tip $30. Thanks for doing night stream video.
Alright.
Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Feels Pumpkin Man.
Feels super pumpkin, man. Thank you so much, Raymond, for the 30 Kangish. And thanks for just all the contributions over all this time, man. It means a lot. Kangs, dude. I'll spin the wheel for you, okay? Try to change this song. Oh my god, dude.
Chug?
No. Someone played Spin the Wheel in the Discord. It's
Has to be.
You're right, dude.
Dude, it's too good to not play that.
Well, let me pull the wheel up.
Are you still in chug debt?
Yes. I'm still 2 chugs in
Wow.
debt. Dude, I just can't
You
find
know
it in
that-
myself.
You know the interest that's running on that?
I probably owe it. I'm probably near another beer at this point. Yeah, probably.
No, you're close to a pony keg. It's
A pony
24
keg?
hours.
Oh, come and force it,
24
man.
hours.
Come and force it. Take the money from me, man. Come pour the beer down my throat. Nah, normally what's been happening lately, it's just been like the weekends, because college football's here, it's just been very eventful for me. So it's like I'm doing these Thursdays, these streams, and it was like the last Thursday, I think, was like 4 chugs. I did 2 on stream, and I couldn't because I was already like seriously like blah. And then
they played the game afterwards, and it kept going. The chug variation kept firing off. So
it's just
what kind of interest rate you got on that chug debt?
Dude, I don't even know. Probe said
it was
Golden Bank or something.
I mean, I gotta make up for what little junk bond market that I'm taking care of overnight. The original joke, he had 24 hours to finish, and then after that it was 1 ounce per hour that it would grow on top of that. So if he waited another 24 hours, he owed 2 more chugs. But that's a little ridiculous.
Dude, it's already bad enough, man. The wheel spin says 10%, but it's not. It's like bullcrap. It's like way more, man.
Back to back is not 1 in 100. It's one.
It's a 1% chance
No.
for back to back.
If prior to it, I say I'm going to roll back-to-back chugs, yes. After the first one, the second one still has a 1 in 1/10 chance.
But I'm saying, like, for the wheel spin, right? The wheel to hit chug once, and then immediately if you spin again and it hits chug again, the percent chance
It's 10%.
It's 10%.
Second chance is 10%.
No. I'm saying, like,
for me to go before and say it's going to be 2 in a row, yes, 100 to 1.
Yeah, okay. So, but it doesn't matter if you say it or not, because if it does happen, it still, in fact, is that. It still is, in fact, hey, and I did say that. I literally never before once in the stream have we hit the chug twice in a row, and it hit twice.
Oh, you said it right before though.
And that's good enough, man. That's good enough.
It's like this guy's at Mr. Free Throw in 42 attempts. Guaranteed.
But no, dude. It's like for the actual chug variation to get hit on the wheel twice in a row is a 1% chance, whether you say it or not, right? We don't know if it's going to happen ever, but it did happen, and was like, oh, okay, we're in the midst of it. It hit once, now it's going to hit again. That's 1%, right? There's just no way. It's like literally it.
Let's see if I can pay with my Apple cards here.
Sleep well, Raymond, man. Thanks again, dude, for the contribution. Thanks, dude.
Noise! Can we have a look at Silver? Need an update. Hi, Jeff and fam.
What's up, Mr. Shaver, dude?
Bruh.
Thanks for the 3s. Can we have a look at Silver? Need an update? Yeah, XAG. He says hi to Jeff and fam. Jeff and fam.
My fam or the whole fam?
Jeff and fam. I think fam as in like everyone in the community or something. I mean, unless I'm wrong. That's going to be on him. Hey, guess what, man? You had a little Momo ship breakout, right? And it's continued up. The positive is building. You're not overbought. It could continue up. Higher lows than your previous low. Okay, it's like gold. It's just like gold, man. It's in an overall bullish trend. Holding on to that 25% trend line of the equidistant channel. And on the breakout, it's now following through with price action to the upside. So what we do now is we say go to your high to low. If we look here and listen, we're nearing the 382 again. I mean, you're getting near the golden zone. But, you know, we hit the golden zone once and reversed. And when we reversed, we made a higher low. Meaning, I think there's a decent chance that we can make it up to 1828 or 1860. Really think we could at this point. I think this is right. All this price actions, meaning 1828 to 1860, and then maybe if 1860 seems really reasonable because that's a previous overhead resistance back from September, late September. Okay.
Man.
What happened?
I'm trying to look up trying to hook up the new Apple card to be able to pay through Stream Elements. It's nice. 2 to 3% cash back on everything.
Cashback Connect. We're talking about which one?
The Apple.
Hey guys, I just want to say, hey, I got to jump. But,
all right, brother.
Mitch, I appreciate all the streams, man.
Yeah, trade them out, dude.
You hear me or not.
Take care, man.
Hopefully you're getting something out of it, man. Thank you so much for hanging out with us, lurking in the voice chat, dude. Trade a mark. Much love, dude. So silver, dude, that's it. You get it, Miss Shammer? That's the update. It's in an uptrend. It's doing things. Remember the analysis we gave back, and I don't know, somewhere back here on the double bottom. What was the date, man? It was like April, March. I looked it up. We played it on stream, dude. It's like the same analysis. And since then, we've gone extremely high. right?
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I've really learned a lot in a short period of time, just listening.
Looking here, listening. That's right, dude.
Good to hear, man.
Well, keep on learning, man. Don't ever stop. That's the main thing.
Yeah, I need nothing about Japanese candlesticks, trend lines. I knew fibs, I knew moving averages, but nothing. Because options, you didn't really need them. You didn't look at them. But yeah,
It's wild, man.
spending time, it seeps in. You start to see things yourself, and
When it starts playing out, that's when it's
cool.
It gets fun.
It's cool and it clicks in for people.
Yeah, dude. And sometimes it never clicks for people, right?
Yeah.
And that's the crappy part. Like, I think there is an aptitude to TA and trading and all that. It's like it does require like.
There's a ton of us that left. 'Cause poker was banned 2012 when we
Poker
left. I
stars.
went to day trading, and it's a similar type thing. You're looking at risk reward situations. The value of money is not technically money. You know that you're putting your money in good, so bad beat not. That's part of the game, and so there's a lot of good traders that came out of that, but you can't beat the algos now trading that stuff, day trading it. It was fun back in 2011, 2012, 2013. 2014 was boring.
Well, it's never boring, man. It's never boring on any market, dude. Well, it's never boring collectively over all markets. All right, there's always something going on.
Yeah.
Always something, dude. Do we even look at Nike tonight? I can't remember. We need to look at. Someone asked about. It was you, wasn't it? CMCSA.
Yeah, Comcast.
Yeah, such a scrubby.
So when I turned on
Comcast could have been there.
dividends, well, they were changed companies so many times. So when I turned on dividends with Nike, it was the exact same numbers. So you can't tell me, look here, listen. Because
It's weird about this divergent. It wasn't divergence until you gapped up to 47.25 and you hit a double top kind of. It's so weird. And it's like, that doesn't even count because the close was down at like a lower high. So it was like bearish convergence on the oscillators. And I think there's a rising wedge. And I think you're close to breaking out of it.
I do have the rising wedge on there.
Rising wedge? Man, what happened to 1G Project, man?
I don't know. We should just all went long on BCE.
Yeah, we should have, dude.
We found out about it.
All our net worth, all in on BCE.
You can
for
trade
that
it on the
wedge.
New York Stock Exchange.
Well, that's the one we were looking at. That's the one we got analyzed.
No, I think we're analyzing the TSX one.
Yeah, maybe you're right because he's the one that requested it. So yeah, probably. Oh my god, dude.
It's just insane.
Man, what pisses me off about the deep crab, dude. So this is kind of
Jeremy S posted something. Jeremy S and I are both Bruins. You know that he was there at the same time I was.
yeah,
there.
he played track and field.
Yeah,
That's
he was
amazing.
a thrower.
Dude.
One of my roommates for a summer, he knew.
That's wild.
So he posted the deep crab. Deep crab can be up to an 886. No,
That's a
Hey,
bat.
Mitch, can
X
you look
to
at
A.
the
X to
possible
B.
inverse head and shoulders for me?
BA.
Thanks for
David,
all you
thanks
do.
for threes, dude. BA. Boeing, right? Oh, this one's all over the place. I mean, this is all I have for Boeing. I haven't really looked at it too much. I mean, it's like, it was kind of range bound. I just did not include this craziness and just went with like the low to the high. And it's like you're nearing the bottom again. Big dump, up 1% today, but huge move down and another gap down, but making a higher low and rallying. I see absolutely nothing right now Besides maybe, just maybe a little bit of hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. That's all I see right now. Hidden bullish divergence in the MACD on the daily for Boeing. Bearish convergence on the RSI clearly. And earnings, of course, kind of killed you. You were 22% down. I mean, the expectations from the street, $2.63 EPS. You posted $2.05 EPS. Terrible. So, yeah, I don't know, man. I guess you're near lower risk areas. But I'd like to see us dump more to 310, and if you're lucky, maybe 300, 297 or something, which would be some sort of bottom of a new part of the range. Like, you know, you plot that right there. You know, maybe you get down there. That's what you're kind of looking for. I don't know, man. It's like a big range, crazy range, but you're making lower highs but higher lows. Thanks again, David, dude. It's close to low risk, but it's so far off still, right? 344 right now, and you go down to 310, you could have gotten killed trying to take a long when you think it's in the middle of a range, right? Is it clearly not in the middle of a range right now? Dead middle. So it's high risk either way, higher risk either way for a long or short until you get to one of these areas or one of these areas up here, which we did get to the area up here, right? And, you know, just dumped. So look for 290 or 300, 310, whatever. Or look for a short around 389 to 400. Hello?
Hello?
Yo. Whenever it gets quiet, I just assume somebody tipped.
Nope. You know, the
Usually
market
chat.
is these days.
This one. Let's see if pay with. Oh, nice. Pay with math.
Well, whatever, if you call it a scam or whatever, Boeing, I mean, it's just really whatever, man. It's definitely not. This is a buying climax. Clearly not even coming close to threatening that buying climax at all. So what did everyone have for dinner tonight? Technium's asking. I mean, I had my leftover brisket, which was good, man. Real good.
And Mexican quinoa.
What is that?
It's like a mixture of stuff that's good.
Quinoa is like a
mixture of stuff.
it's a grain pasta type thing. Very all the hipsters love it
of
here.
course. The Cali hipsters.
I mean, it is technically vegetarian, but you can make
Oh
it.
no, what are you doing, man? I'm just kidding, dude.
It's alright, man. I had a shredded beef burrito earlier today.
There
so-
we go. There we go. Almost shawarma, right? I said shredded beef. That sounds like shawarma.
Not even close, man.
Dude, I love shawarma.
What's shawarma?
Shawarma is like there's this big slab of meat and they just shave it when you want it. Oh, and it's a rotisserie, but it's like a vertical rotisserie. That makes sense. It's Israeli. It's fantastic. I get it all the time.
You've got an entire family against you from way. I was just reminded of it. You were claiming Alabama barbecue is better than anything
No.
So,
Actually,
you,
since I've been to Texas, I thought Texas barbecue was the best. But Bama barbecue, in a lot of ways, is the best. Best
Ever-
white sauce.
Kansas City, South Carolina.
Yeah, dude. No one from there is ever gonna agree. Oh yeah, Alabama has the best barbecue. Of course they're not, dude. It's all subjective, and it's all home team. It's tribalism at its finest, dude. Welcome to being a human being.
No, I mean, I'll actually go. I'll go with South Carolina.
South Carolina barbecue. I'm going with Texas, based on what I had at
Texas,
Valentina's.
yeah.
So good.
Yeah, brisket. Yeah. Where's Valentino? In Austin? Is it Valentino's?
Valentina's is in Austin, but it's a little outside. It's like we drove like 20 minutes or something.
You have to wait forever to get it, right?
Yeah, we had to wait a
Yeah.
while. Yeah. Fortunately, Skyward, his son worked there, so it was like
Okay.
we got to like cut a little bit and get our orders filled. That was
Yeah,
awesome.
they're on Emily's TV channel. Did barbecue challenge there about 10 years ago for
Emily has a TV channel.
Top Chef.
Just kidding.
No,
Yeah, I get you.
Bravo.
Bravo. Thank you very much, Kappa.
Let's see. All right.
Do you not get
You're
it? What I'm
getting paid-
saying?
You're getting paid from Goldman Sachs Apple Card.
Dude, I thought you were saying, oh, probs, man.
Oh,
It's the
pops
real
up
Leroy
Mitch
Jenkins, dude.
Mitch Ray TA PayPal.
Oh my God, it's Rush Probes.
Rush Probes tip $32.33. We thought
I
tobacco
love
and
this,
beer and
'cause
was
now,
all it
you
would
know, I
take to be
Face
like our old
ID
man,
and-
but I saw
You're
how me
interrupting
and my
your own
mama
TTS,
cry. It
bro.
was hunting and fishing and football games, and it was
Oh,
gross.
yeah, listen,
And everything
there's
changed falling in and out of love.
I gotta
We
listen
rode
to
in
it. I'll be
trucks.
back.
I could say
What's
it in a
that,
very
Matt
deep,
Schaefer?
southern, obnoxious accent if you want me to. I can read it. Should I do that?
Yes. Absolutely.
We thought tobacco and beer in can was all it would take to be like our old man, but I saw how it made my mama cry. It was hunting and fishing and football games. Then it was girls, and everything changed. Falling in and out of love, we rode in trucks. There's my most
I just felt like
obnoxious southern
screaming.
accent ever. All right, wheel spin.
What's that, Matt Schaefer? You said, do you know the Whopper from Burger King is all Vegemite burger?
I'll get wrecked. Oh, so close, dude. Hey, Probes, drink, dude. Drink, Mr. Kidneys.
Copy.
Spinner drinks. Dude, watch it, though. Wait for it. It's like a bad beat for you. Such a bad beat. Oh, my God. Mr. Shaver, he says there's a tear in his beer. All right. Tear in his beer, Mr. Shaver, dude. Thank you, dude. Mama raised a country boy. Yeah, dude. It's terrible, dude. Oh, God. Xilinx got wrecked, Eric. It got destroyed on earnings, which is a semiconductor stock. I haven't looked at it. Well, it did. I guess it wasn't bad. It was still pretty... Oh, my God, dude. Look at... I haven't looked at this in a long time, man. But the way this faked everyone out. Look at the rising wedge. And look the freaking fake out to earnings in the gap down after it probably stopped everyone and their mamas out before dumping extremely low levels. Bounced off the 200-day moving average rally, lower high. Son of again, lower lows in the previous. We might be trending now, right? How about that, man? Xilinx, dude. And you ask the question, where the heck is the XABCD stuff, right? You gotta wonder, is it here? If it is it coming? Is it the previous low? XAB? That's too deep, man. Too deep. Candle close, still a little too deep. All right, 786. All right, well, you've already exceeded it. Something like that. Wow. Oh my God, it's
Mitch, what are you targeting on Marathon? Did you have I can see some sort of, looks like a cipher that you had.
Yeah, bear cipher.
Assuming.
Oh my God, dude.
So, okay, first target, the gap fill right at the B. I'm just gonna place an order right now and place it.
Yeah, because it's like you were literally at the resistance, dude. You're there, and it's like that was something I said when we analyzed this, that it could very well run up to the downsloping resistance before selling off again, and it may never sell off. I mean, you're just holding on to very small amounts of positive Momo on higher highs. It just seems like, dude, you went from $44, sub $44, all the way up to $66 in the exact same impulse from August to now. That on the stock market, that's insane. That's crazy. That's like no pullback yet on Marathon Petroleum. It's gotta be coming, dude. It's gotta be. And it could be leading up to earnings, which is Halloween. Halloween will be either a spooky day or an extremely euphoric day, and it could be both.
I'll take it into earnings. That's because I'd rather the
You can just wait. You can just wait.
Premiums are so high on options, so I'd rather get the higher premium from the put I'm going to sell against it to try to cover the call I'm going to buy.
Yeah.
So it's easier for me to spend more on earnings going into earnings, and then if things move around, because options are way more expensive. If I need to move, then I can just add shares.
Yeah. Well, that's, you can layer in. You can layer it. Like, I didn't add much to my entry because you start with the entry and it's like you have your position, and it's like you don't oversize your position. So if you feel like, you know, hey, at this point, I could add to my position tomorrow. I could double down on my position tomorrow and have my cost basis, instead of being like $63, be at like $65. All of a sudden, it's not so bad, right? Especially if you dump. So, you know, because you're meeting in the middle from an entry here and here, all of a sudden your cost basis.
So,
that's not too bad.
Shares.
What's up, Crypto Don Juan, man? Good to see you, brother, man. We've had a few wheel spins tonight, but everyone's gotten wrecked. Okay, I think we've had more spinner drinks than anything else. So, bam. Fantastic.
Oh no, I just opened up Merrill Edge. It's gonna wreck my computer.
You got that snake handler again?
I drink a snake handler, but no, I'm just drinking IPA now, dude. It's too much, dude. It's just too much. Like, and I like saving them because they're expensive beers and they're high quality beers, and it's just like, I just like them chilling in my fridge.
Yeah, you filled up like your full fridge with them, and they just come in 4-packs.
Well, yeah, that was like the column or a row of them, and then the rest were IPAs that my parents gave to me. They bought like a freaking, I don't know, 12 pack, 18 pack or something, and they just like, I was over there and I'm like, hey, what's going on? We watched a football game together. My mom was like, hey, I got all this IPA, you want to have it? I'm like, sure. I just took it and brought it back, merged it with the snake handlers. Because I bought like the snake handler on Friday and went to watch football with them, and then it was Saturday. So all right, man, my Death Cross Twitter post has been killing it. Up to 52 likes on that. I think I have more retweets on this post than I've ever had in my entire life. 14 retweets? What? Let's go, chat, for Twitter.
Okay. You're coming up on a Death Cross on the daily on Bitcoin.
It's already done. It's happened.
Exponentials. Yeah.
It's already happened, and I posted it.
I'll have to look at it.
Twitter
Usually I have a bounce back up on Bitcoin.
That's what I'm saying, dude. It happened literally at the open today. The 8 p.m. Eastern open. It was like boom, we were here waiting for it, and as soon as it happened, tweeted it like kings.
How far away is Pride?
What happened? Oh, I don't know. I mean, I'm saying the Death Cross literally happened where you got the 50 MA and the 200 MA crossed bearishly Dude. Oh my God, it's Jonathan McHugh. We have the oldest OG that exists on the planet, dude. Before anyone, dude. Jonathan, all of you better take a knee to the OGest of OGs.
They're coming close.
What's up, Tom Crown? Benjamin's son. Oh my God. I don't know, JT. I don't know what my thoughts are on that. I think I've seen it before. Liam Reeser. Oh my God. Noise! What a
This will
gap
be the
up.
one.
This will be the one.
Bruh.
All right, Mr. Shavers literally calling that this will be the one spin to win. All right, here we go. Wheel spin before we look at LRCX, which gapped up today stupendously, I guess, on earnings. Oh my God, a 15% surprise, $3.09 EPS with a projection of $2.68. That's wild. Fantastic on Lamb Research.
Oh, they crushed it.
Yeah, dude, killed it. And the price is not doing anything stupid. It's going where it should go. You know, like if you beat like that. Let me pull this wheel up, and we'll go to it.
Very
We're gonna have
cool
to break the seal.
company.
Yeah, I posted
Yeah.
that link to the Twitter post so people can go like it and
Oh
share
my
it.
God! He was right. He was literally right, dude. This will be the one. And it literally was the one. You've got to be kidding me. Who does
Yes.
that? Who does that?
Mr. Matt
Oh my
Schaffer.
God, dude. Unbelievable.
Yes.
God, I'm doing
TA with Mitch Ray, brought to you by Irwin Coffee.
Jeez, freaking murdering me, dude.
You're on 3 now?
Yeah.
That's unfortunate, bud.
And it's okay. There are other streamers that get in debt different ways. So, there are people that get in debt with money and stuff. So, all right. High to low. Well, look, hey, dude, JT, man, look at this. Look, oh my God, it's the serious.
Oh, would you look at that?
From your major high, your all-time high to low, you hit and closed today on the gap up at the 1272 like the literal Jesus, man. 265.52, you closed at 265. Oh my God, this freaking wheel. Getting out of here, dude. Wow. Okay, sorry. Let me repeat all that. Okay, you went from your high to low, right? Previous all-time high to the lowest low of the downtrend before running up again. And you broke out. What we did, your major fib extensions. You hit it on the gap up on earnings, like the Jesus man, 262.52. You close at 265.52. You close at 265.60. How about that, brother man? Wild fib extension sexuality. I can't believe
Look
it.
at that.
Oh, would you look at this? Now let's try to paint a some sort of channel, which I think we can do. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh, it feels so good. Feels so good, man. You're just in this beautiful uptrend on LRCX, and you're not even at the top. The top could be, it's a little bit higher. Right, what if you just upslope? 1414 is up at 281. Remember, you're getting near high risk areas, right? Based on the geometrical trend lines. That's a beautiful uptrend, man. Beautiful. Congratulations to LRCX, man.
Please clap.
Oh, would you look at that?
Oh, that is nice.
Super duper nice. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm gonna break my seal. I'll try to chug or something after. I have to be up so early. If you don't know, I talked about it to patrons in the voice chat. I have to leave really early in the morning. My dad is being inducted into the Hall of Fame for his high school. And it's far away. It's like 4 hours plus to get there to Andalusia, Alabama. And yeah, he was a BA. He was a god down there. And he got a scholarship to Sanford and broke records at Sanford University, which is a private college in Birmingham. And it's the only way he got out of it, because he wouldn't have gone to college without that. because my, grandparents, my granddad was a BA in itself. He was a tank commander of World War II at Normandy, but like they were mill workers, my granddad and grandma on my dad's side. So I think the money side was on my mom's side, like Germans and farmers and stuff like that, bunch of land. So, but yeah, he's getting honored with Nico Johnson, who was a pretty much legendary quarterback or linebacker at Alabama, and some kicker on Bear Bryant's team back then. So, yeah, it'll be a good day, but I won't be streaming tomorrow, obviously, because of that. So just a heads up. But I'll be back late tomorrow. Late. I'm talking probably like midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. before I get back. I'm going to drive back. Okay. I'm going to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Entertain these people's burp.
Crickets.
Right.
Crickets. Let's see who's in chat. I think there's like my thing went off, so I'm ordering those little computers. I was almost going to do the full setup, then have screens attached to them, then different wireless keyboard with the connected mouse, different areas that I trade, and then the because I never go to the battle station. It's like the house, part of the house that no one goes to anymore. But my computer can't handle having all this up, so those little tiny computers, or you can get the monitor, the computer built in. Do those with another console next to them.
I've seen ones made by Apple. I don't know which ones you're talking.
Call PC. I don't know what to call it.
We'll take some $3 wheel spins while we're waiting. If you guys are trying to entertain yourselves. Oh wait, we need a wheel to do that, right? Wait, there's one in music chat from like forever ago.
It's like
You talking about a computer like that one there, Jeff?
Okay, yeah.
I was gonna post one, but I'm sure it is. Yeah, it's like the size of rocks. They connect via Wi-Fi, or you could run a hard one.
Yeah, I've seen stuff like that.
So I'm just gonna connect them to the back of console because I have different areas where it's set up. But like, if there's multiple things going on and like the market's moving a lot, I need to get 2 Tastyworks accounts, a Thinkorswim account, and a Merrill. I'm usually with TradingView, and that just.
Is there a reason for the multiple accounts? Does it help with leverage or something, or what's that?
I don't mind saying. Merrill is my money market account, and I control my wife, my mom's retirement money out of there, and then trade out of there. Don't trade a ton, but like that's where most stock is held. And then sell covered puts. TD Ameritrade is where I've mostly traded my whole life, and I'd opened up a Tastyworks account to test it out. I really like it, so I'm in chats with them to see if I can do something. They'll hook me up. They did the same thing as everyone else with trades, but I want cheaper contracts. So it's cheaper than TOS right now. TOS is 60 cents on a contract, 6 cents. Tastyworks is $1 to open one. So
I don't know what to do, man.
Yeah, I was just wondering if there was
I don't know
one
what to
that
do.
was strategically better than the other.
Do I chug the beer tonight?
no, not with you. Not if you have to get up
I
early.
wouldn't.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
So I'm 3 in debt now, pretty much.
Yeah.
He's probably smart. Well,
Thinkorswim is by far the most popular. I'd say it takes a while to get used to.
Yeah, paper trading, right?
E-Trade, yes. Paper trading. That's the only thing that sucks about like the one that I prefer is you can't paper trade there. But now they went to free equity option trades, and then now I'm trying to bribe them by Larley's on their waiting list, so like
As the
bringing in
TP
the
roll
big
spins,
guns.
as does a wheel.
God.
Our feet.
Wayne Batson,
Done.
$10, another wheel spin. Oh my God, Win.
Is that a
Yeah,
joint?
we can't get one more
Bruh.
like we're just sitting at 90.
Oh my God,
So
dude.
messing with my OCD, man.
Here's the wheel spin. It's coming right now. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, you won't believe it. The 1% hit again. It's broken.
my God.
I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. This is out of this world, dude.
Please play.
So 2 in a row. Was that 2 streams in a row with this?
Not in a row, but I guess since the wheel spin's been out, yeah, 2 in a row since the wheel spin. So,
Dude, what are the odds of that? Damn.
oh, I don't know. Anyone know the probability of this mathematically? It's
1 in 100 happening twice.
unfreaking believable, dude. I can't believe this happening again. How's this? I mean, like, I don't understand. I don't get it. It's a 1 in 10, and it hits twice in a row all the time now.
You should put social on the other side where Chug is, and just reverse them and see. Social like every time.
God. I changed the audio. You tomorrow with 4 chugs. Yeah, Super
Your
Saiyan.
CMRW with 4 chugs tipped $96.96. You would not be in good shape tomorrow. It would be your final form.
Yeah, my final throw up vomit form, dude. Dude, thanks you tomorrow probes with the 9696, the Ultra Instinct contribution. Hope you enjoyed the new sound clips of all the anytime you tip 12 12 24 24. I think it's 48 48 or something. And 96 96.
I think it's 42 42.
It might be 42 42. Yeah.
I went 48 48.
Yeah, I'm dumb. I can't remember what it is. But look, if you tip me 12 12, you can notice the difference in the Super Saiyan power-ups. I may look, and I've got to change maybe 96 96 to, because I think that's got a different sound. But yeah, just tipping 12 12 24 24 is one power-up noise for Super Saiyans, and then if you go to the next one, and then 96 96, it goes to Super Saiyan Blue, which is another power-up noise, which is lit. Super duper amazing.
First time I've used it, I used it for a little bit, but I have $9.85 cash back for what, 32 33, $130, and then another $20. It's pretty freaking good. Cash back.
Ola is saying 1 in 10,000 chance. Congrats, Mitch. You are lucky as sheet metal.
It's not 1 in 10,000.
Dude, it's
We'll have a
so
1 in 100 happening twice in a row.
crazy.
Read the roulette board of how Vegas and Baccarat, how Vegas started raking in money when they put up how many times red has been rolled in a row, because everyone loads in on black, and it is still a whatever 1 in 17 chance that 1 in 18 chance that you're gonna get, now 1 in 17 that you're gonna win because you have 2 blacks.
I got
1 in 18.
doubled up on black and left and worked out.
Yeah, I didn't bet much in Vegas because it's a joke.
I didn't gamble much either.
It's just like you know you're gonna lose your money. It's like you built that way. Well,
Everyone's
I mean,
like,
you did, probes.
Dude,
You had
we
to,
didn't
right?
even get to talk to probes.
Yeah.
I had to. Yeah, that was the
it
only
was
way
like a
we had.
minimum for how many hands you play
Yeah.
or how many hours you play.
I had to play 12 hours. Yeah. So
Dang, the
time we landed
Schaffer.
until the time I left.
Man, y'all kill me. Oh, I got a wheel spin for that too, don't I? Oh my god. Here we go.
It's not going to happen this time.
Of course not.
Yeah, right.
Oh, it was so close though. Spinner drinks. Dude, how was it even that close? There's something going on. Chat, something's going on. It's so special you have to
Something
give a shot
is a
of
vague pronoun.
I know. So, but
So
something's still
put your
going
tinfoil
on.
hat on.
Oh my god. Unbelievable, dude. It is unbelievable.
Did Loki hack your computer and heavily weight the blue? Could be.
The Eskimo Medicine Man?
There's a long-term bet that he can't poke into the probed mainframe.
Is my music in? Hold on. Be careful here, not do anything crazy and play a song that's copyright and will kill our stream. Jeez.
After covering fetch twice.
Oh God, you got to come out before we go to Omaha for look up Stagecoach. It's incredible.
Stagecoach, what does it do?
It's a 3-day country festival out in Palm Springs.
Man, can I meet Katie there, Cabot?
Take your RV. Yeah, she comes. She's came every year.
If you know what I mean.
You're gonna be sleeping in my motorhome, so
I know, but I'm just kidding, dude.
Her brother Jack's gonna be not far away.
Yeah,
crushing
dude.
something.
But like, I wouldn't ever do anything like, you know.
Oh, it was awesome last year. I mean, M came out, but she stayed at a house. We stayed in the motorhome. We had a 1-month-old, and because it's always towards the end of April, and Katie's in there, and I'm sleeping in she shared the king, the master suite in the back, and Jackson's just in one of the, the side beds, just making the entire thing move. And she's like, "Oh God!" I'm like,
why is he
it's
doing
awesome
that?
when your little brother she's like, "I know." She's like, "I've."
Why is he making the whole thing move?
He had a
woman.
Multiple.
He had multiple women
in one little small area. Yes.
Oh my goodness. Well, we need to return the favor. Okay. Tell Katie we will gladly return the favor to Jack. Okay.
So you want me to tell my?
No, absolutely not.
Yeah,
dude.
this
but
is bad.
It's still hilarious. It's still funny. Okay. You can't take that away. That
it was
returning
awesome.
the favor because it was awkward. And so we'll make it awkward. Right back. Sibling rivalry connect.
Oh, as they tried to sneak out, I had a police flashlight and just shined it on them and just started blasting music at 4 a.m.
Dude, you should have
turned on all the lights on my motorhome. It was the biggest walk of shame ever.
Yeah, that does sound
was
like
awesome.
It, dude. That does sound bad. My God.
Jackson just went outside with his shirt off and just stood there. He's like, "Yeah, pimp."
Well, hey, man, he had the walk of pride, probably, right?
Yeah, we went out with a couple of Dodgers the other night, a few weeks back, and yeah, they all thought he played baseball at TCU, so.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
He's 26, almost 27 now, but he, they all thought he was one of the players, and they thought, so it was, and then Bellinger was helping him out, being and so he's back with his high school girlfriend. I'm like, yeah, you do what most guys do. Do really well your first year, party your balls off, suck your second year, get your high school girlfriend to come in and bring you back down to earth, have another good year, usually marry that girl.
Bruh.
What you do from there is, hey, things happen.
Sounds like a wonderful, majestic story of. Sounds like a Disney movie. Oh my God. All right. So I think I'm going to get out of here. Been live for about 2 hours now. So, we made it the 4 hour. Guess what? Spoiler alert, Bitcoin's done absolutely nothing again. So don't get freaked out. Oh my God, Bitcoin's not doing anything, man. So I just got to be
What was
up.
this
What's up?
spin on what was the spin on my last one? Was it me?
Yeah, you. Yep.
Okay.
Again.
I owe 2.
Yeah, and I owe 5 chugs somehow. Just stupid, dude. Just beyond ridiculous. All right. So
You got hit with 3 tonight?
No.
Or did you owe
2.
You owed
2. I guess I own 4. It's 4.
Yeah, you owe 4.
I don't know why I thought about 5, but yeah, it's definitely 4 total chugs I owe. The Walt wins again. Wayne Dawson, you and Miss Schaffer just destroyed me. Okay, so
You're better off bringing a snake handler doing a half one chug than doing the other half. Then maybe later on putting down a beer and maybe get a ball.
I just need to be
Fireball.
completely sober and then just do it and just knock him out. Boom, boom,
Get
boom.
a thing of Fireball and have it with you.
I don't do a Fireball. I'm just gonna do I'll just do water beers and just boom, 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 3 in a row and just get it over with. Or it's 4, but I'll do 2 and take a break and maybe do 2 the next day or something. I just gotta figure it out. I gotta just be completely sober before I do it and not eat much and just be ready, so and not be hungover from the night before. So,
another good one is Jack Honey.
Oh.
It's just easy.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about. I've had it before. It's
Rex.
okay. It's okay. I'm a Jim Beam man. Yeah, I could do shots. I don't know. I prefer probably just water beers. They go down the easiest, the less burn, and I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll just be back tomorrow. Probably. There's no way I can stream. I mean, it's an all day thing. I mean, I have to leave here at 8:30 in the morning, and then I won't be coming back. I won't be back till midnight or later tomorrow night, and I'll be wiped by then. So, thank y'all for coming out. Probes, Brad, Will Crypto Man, thank y'all for staying in the voice chat. Thanks, patrons, and all that.
Oh, good, man.
Great stream, buddy.
We'll be back next Thursday.
That's right.
Congrats, Mr. Ray, on the induction tomorrow.
Freaking
Yeah,
wild.
congrats, man.
Freaking wild. I'll let them know. I'll give them your celebratory comments, and we'll go from there. I'll post some pictures, maybe on Instagram or something like that, and Discord, of course. But yeah, I'll be updated. Keep you posted on it, and we'll go from there. All right, y'all have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Hanging up. 3,
Later.
2, 1. Love y'all. Bye. Okay. Chat, thanks so much for the likes, love, support, the contributions. Holy crap, it's been a great stream. And most of the time it always is, man. So I'll just leave you this short song. I'll be back. Probably not tomorrow, unfortunately. I have the air on, Crypto Soldier. The Herman Miller air on. I'll be back probably Saturday. Love y'all. Until next time, respect the T.A.
Chuck them who you with and what's your name? And you not hip, boo, I'm Wale. And that DC shit I rap all day. And my eyes red cause of all that haze. Don't blow my high, let me shine. Drum on the beat, let me take my time. Nigga want beef, we can check it outside. Fight for what, bro? These hoes ain't mine. Is you out your mind? You out your league. I sweat no bitches, I sweat out weeds. Wear out tracks, let me do my thing. I got 16 for this Roscoe thing, but I'm almost done. Let me get back to it. Whole lot of loud in a low backwood. Whole lot of money, big tip I would. I put on a train, little engine could, bitch. upgrade from bologna. Them niggas tipping good, girl, but I can make it flush. Cause I walk around with pockets that are bigger than my butts. Rain, rain, go away. That's what all my haters say. My pocket's stuck on overload. My rain never evaporates. No need to elaborate. Most of these ducks exaggerate. But I'ma get money, nigga, every day. Stunning nigga ducks might get a chance after me. Bitch, I'm ballin' like I'm coming off of free throws. Cause ahead of the game, no cheat codes. Lambo, Roscoe, no street code. Cause your booty got me lost like Nemo. Go, 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 go on and do your dance. And I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. The way you move it, got me in a trance. DJ turn me up, ladies get your dance. I'm a superstar, you don't need a raise. I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. Girl, drop it to the floor. I love the way I put it on. All I wanna do is sit back and watch you move it over and see the diamonds fall.
Look here! Look, listen!
Sean Khalifa, man. Paper plane gang. 501 Young. Hey, shout out to my brother Spitter, man. I just wanted to say that. Yeah. And your bitch can see this shit from across the street, nigga. It's pimpin' over here. Macaroni. Cushion orange juice, nigga. What up, Chevy? Germ, I see you. Cardo on the beat. I don't love them, I don't chase them, I duck them. Smoke something, go to a new state soon as I fuck them. Niggas be pressed for pussy, it ain't nothing. Instead of worrying about who that bitch fucking, why don't you get you some money? 9 times out of 10 she see me stunting. Game running, wanna know my hotel and who phone the ring when she coming. I keep it 100. Get love from the hoes, but it's money over bitches, nothing above it. Like the weed, loud like my engine when I speed up. Bitches holding they weed, rolling trees with their pretty feet up. Them suckers often imitate, but they can't beat us. So super high, look in the sky when you won't see me, bruh. Cut my speakers up, drowning out what the critics say. Just continue to smoke and remain G as fuck. Polo socks match my polo hat. She leave once, it's a known fact. And she ain't coming back. Now Taylor gang that shit changed. With the amount of horses in my motor when I switch lanes. And I beat them blind them with the diamonds in my big chain. Heavy in the game, lil' homie, I'm doing big things. Big things. And them bitches, they mesmerize, they recognize. I keep it so G. I keep it so G. Get you some money fucking with me. Yeah. I don't love them, I don't chase them, I duck them. Try to get paper out of fucker, don't know shit about her. I take you up where it's cloudy. Ain't one of them lame, still rockin' Prada. I go to Louis and blow a couple thousand. One of my baddest bitches, rolling up while I'm driving. And she don't even smoke, just hit it once while she light it. My game tight, sell and sign it. Them niggas just playing, ain't really ballin'. Saying they being honest, claiming that's your wife, but we can't call it. She all in my hotel suite at 3 in the morning, taking their clothes off, inhaling weed and coughing. Ain't her first time chiefin', but say she don't do this often. Since I was 16, I had all the intentions to keep it G. Take niggas' hoes and smoke hella trees with them. As for your team, you niggas in the stands, you just looking. I'm a pro to these rookies, and the plan is still paper over. Puss, and ain't shit changed. With the amount of horses in my motor when I switch lanes. And I beat them blind them with the diamonds in my big chain. Heavy in the game, lil' homie, I'm doing big things. Big things. And them bitches, they mesmerize, they recognize. I keep it so G. I keep it so G. Get you some money fucking with me. Yeah, nigga. This shit just don't sound cool. That's what we go to sleep to. Wake up to. Cushion orange juice, nigga. Yeah. Your bitch cooking them cheese eggs too. Got paper my pocket. Taylor gang, what's up? See y'all niggas, man. We done fucked over on this year. It's a wrap. Yeah. We don't want no more sucker shit. Ever.
Yeah. It's nothing new. Cause this is exactly what I do. What up, E? The good weed's lit on this one. Yeah. Riding by myself. Yeah, the world turning, the weed burning, them haters talking, I keep earning. Know some who say life's a bitch, well I'ma keep flirting. And fuck that bitch for the money and Louis V purchases. Old folks shock my car cause they know just what this is. Niggas flexing hard with no bars, they got weak service. Keep verses, Mortal Kombat, look at my ring. If I ain't ballin', bitch, then what you call that? Nothing but net, ain't back cause I never left. I did everything right, nigga, better yet. Rolling bomb for the niggas that's around us. Something like a contractor built it from the ground up. Now just twist up this weed, realize you in the presence of a G. Don't fuck up my paper, meaning my cheese, or the ones I use to roll up my trees. Fuck it, you know what I mean. I'm riding real, smoking my music loud, kinda doing my thing, no disrespect to the niggas before me. Some smile up in your face, but then they don't alone. Now I just done on my own, now I just done on my own. I'm in the race and taking the winner's place. No foot on the brakes, one of the best on me, that's what they call me. It's lonely at the top, ain't no company, so now I just done on my own, now I just done on my own. See me when I'm alone, wishing they could fuck with me. My ex calling my phone, wishing she could stunt with me. But I'm just riding, dog, doing a buck 50. Stunting like Jet Li, boat houses and jet skis. 30 on the flight, ice like the Gretzky's. My dime pieces only recognize the best trees.
That was yeah, man. I loved it. Gang did. Gang man.
Bruh.
I let her breathe. Oh, from debated on to waited on, from hated on to the nigga they put their cake up on. Cause we are young movie stars. Cause we are young movie stars. I'm riding around, smoking my music loud, kinda doing my thing, no disrespect to the niggas before me. Some smile up in your face, but then they don't alone. Now I just done on my own, now I just done on my own. I'm in a race and taking the winner's place. No foot on the brakes, one of the best on me, that's what they call me. It's lonely at the top, ain't no company, so now I just done on my own, now I just done on my own. Now I just done on my own. Bitches ain't say shit to me, but now they won't leave me alone. Used to walk the other way, but now they all come to my home. And they calling my phone, cause my paper is long. Running up and they singing my songs. Get hired up, if they want then I bring them along. We flying up, no you won't need a ticket at all. Need a ticket at all. Tell them bitch I'm a ball, and I'ma buy a new crib for my niggas and all. Cause I remember days we sit and pictured it all. Niggas swore I leave, or pictured I fall. Counting reasons why they hate your bitch, think I'm a star. Cause we are young, gifted. Not to mention out here making motherfucking millions. Yeah, I said it, motherfucking millions. Got my money up, I'm in the building. Yeah, I'm riding down, smoking my music loud. Kinda doing my thing, no disrespect to the niggas before me. Some smile up in your face, but then they on the low. Nah, I just not on my own. Nah, I just not on my own. I'm in the race and taking the winner's place. No foot on the brakes, one of the best on me, that's what they call me. It's lonely at the top, ain't no company, so nah, I just not on my own. Nah, I just not on my own.
Hello? Yo, man, we gotta go. Go where? Just get up, man. It's time to go. We gotta go. Alright, man. Come on,
Last
man.
night I let the party get the best of me. Waking up in the morning, two laying next to me. Plus I heard an officer arresting me. Good cold drinks, that's the recipe. And we roll deep, so deep. It's going down in this concrete. We gon' party all night, no sleep. Tell the owner them is all my guys. So tonight everything is on me. The drinks is on me. The hotel, the is all free. Get high, I mean so high we don't see the whole suite. Then fly to a level where you gon' need your own key. TGOD. No driving, no sleeping. Live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. No driving, no sleeping. Live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. Leaving from the club, now she wanna stay with us. Came to spend it all, don't care what I'm paying for. Used to be too young, now I'm out here buying a bar. Every time I look up, it's another red cup. Bunch of in the game, but they ain't playing with us. They just paying enough. Man, them ain't ballin', they just laying it up. Saying they does, I'm just rolling hella with it while on my way to the club. I had to wait at the club, but now I don't, cause everything is on me. The drinks is on me. Just the hotel, the is all free. Get high, me so high, we see the whole street. We fly, me so fly, we need a whole wing. TGO, no driving, no sleeping. Live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. No driving, no sleeping. Live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. Party all day, party all night. Say you wanna party, let's party all right. Party all day, party all night. Say you wanna party, let's party all right. Party all day, party all night. Say you wanna party, let's party all right. Party all day, party all night. Say you wanna party, let's party all right. No sleeping, live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. No driving, no sleeping, live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. Party all day, party all night. Say you wanna party, let's party all right.
Pull me away, bring me to life. 'Cause I love it when you get me high. Watching these days turn into nights. 'Cause I love it when you get me high. Drink up till you're running through my blood. Yeah, you leave my body numb, and I like it way too much. I wanna stay out of my mind.
Is that a joint?
'Cause I love it when you get me high.
Bruh.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Look here! Look, listen! Bruh.
Fibonacci from your low point to high point, but as you can see, it's a critical area.
Bruh.
Y'all are amazing. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Gangs, man.